What you're going to learn here today is how do you change the oil filter on a 2015 Kawasaki ZX10R SuperBike that's in it. So what you're going to need is a 17mm socket and a ratchet. Using this towel just to protect your clothes on laying down on a workshop floor, wheel derrick underneath this sump, and the sump bung is actually left hand side right there opposite the oil filter. Easy to get to and no need to remove the SuperBike panel to get to it. Same for the oil filter. The oil filter is here to your left. If you mounted the Kawasaki SuperBike, this one is a K&N air filter, which makes our life a lot easier. So you will need a 17mm socket with the sump bung and a ratchet. Can this come under? Because the oil's about to go everywhere. So a mistake a lot of people make is their lever like this, and you've got all this slack, and what you need to do is hold the head of your ratchet, hold it steady. I can rest it against the tyre if I need to, and that makes operation easy and efficient. But if you're doing this, yeah, I'll get to it, then you're just going to destroy the nut on the top of the filter. There you go. Oil filter should be loose enough. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, you can just undo it by hand. Here comes the oil. I'm just going to move the derrick a little bit forward. If it drops on the derrick, just let it drop, isn't it? Okay. Kawasaki SuperBike uses a K&N performance filter 303. So you get this like plastic. What is really nice about K&N is how they pre-oil the rubber seal, so you don't actually have to oil the gasket. You can just fit this. What you're going to do is take some kitchen paper and you're just going to gently wipe down the surface where the new oil filter is going to go. Just wipe it down the best that you can. So the new filter, you start off with installing it hand tight. So what you got to do, just put it on by hand first, and then torque down the oil filter. Take the torque ratchet. You need 17 Newton meters. You're going to need a long extension. Get it in there. Get it on the K&N air filter. Push down on the centre of your ratchet, so you're getting the best grip on the nut, because it's a soft alloy. You don't want to round this nut. The torque ratchet makes that click. Stop, don't go any further. Thanks for watching. Getting to the oil filter, once you know the technique, pretty straightforward, and installing it, pretty straightforward. Thanks for watching. Until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon.